So two coins of toss. There's three possible outcomes. Would everyone agree with that? You can either have heads, heads, which is up here. You can have tails, tails. Or you can have a combination of heads and tails. Yeah? One head, one tail. Oh, did it in the wrong spot. Don't know.
That is the coolest stage.
You guys suck.
It's a combination of 8 and 10.
One note. Okay, so they're your options. Now, there's three different possible outcomes. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
You got heads, heads, tails, tails, or a combination of heads and tails.
Yeah.
Would you agree that there's three possible outcomes?
Yeah.
No.
How many outcomes are there?
No.
Thank you. There's four outcomes. There's three, it looks like three. Logically, you would think there's three different outcomes. Heads, heads, tails, tails, combination of the two.
What do you have to say?
The thing is, you can have head then tail, or tail then head. They are two distinct outcomes. They are different to each other. In some particular circumstances, it doesn't matter, and you can combine them as the one single thing, but they are different. Okay? Now, one of the problems we have is that in most cases, does it matter that you got the head first or the tail first? No. So what's our chance of getting a head head?
Levi, cue Levi's laugh.
Yeah. Head head.
Now she's going to watch this and be like...
They're picking on me. Don't worry, picking on Jacob as well. Head head, what's the probability? 1 out of 4, thank you. What's the probability of getting tail tail? Okay. Now, what's the probability of getting a head and a tail?
1 out of 3.
How many have I got?
4.
And how many possibles are there?
2.
Yeah.
To get a mixed one, I've got a 2 in 4 chance. Does that make sense? What I've done is I've just combined those two because it doesn't really matter whether I get a head first or a tail first. If they're not the same, they're not the same. Playing 2 up, you either bet on a head head or a tail tail. If you got mixed, the split, it didn't count. And see how you've got twice as many chances of getting split than you do the other ones. So they're not all equally likely. Does that make sense? Is everyone happy with that?